Today we're gonna be making chocolate mini donuts. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. The ingredients we'll need is baking powder and salt, cocoa powder, flour, milk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, sour cream, sugar, and a big medium bowl with a whisk, a spatula spoon, oil, the dash donut maker, and then toothpicks. Now let's get started. Okay, first, because we got an instruction book. Okay, so first, mix together flour, cocoa powder, mix together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. So flour is already in the bowl. So then we're gonna mix the cocoa powder. Then we're gonna mix the baking powder with the salt. Now we're gonna just stir it. Now we're going to whisk together the eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, milk, and melt butter in a separate bowl. Mix in half of the flour mixture, then half the Greek yogurt recipe until batter is just blended. You could also use sour cream, but yeah, we're using sour cream. So we're going to put in the eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, butter that's already melted, milk, eggs, I'm having trouble, so I'm going to use the spatula. Now it's time to whisk it together. Whoa. Now I'm going to whisk together our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So we're gonna do a little bit at a time. So we're gonna do a little bit at a time with our dry ingredients to do with our wet ingredients. So. Okay, let's whisk. Make sure you get the sides. I'm gonna start using this too. Now I'm just gonna add the rest of it. Whisk it all together. Yeah. Use both of it. That'll probably work better to do it. But I think you should just use the spoon. But you can use whatever you want. Now we're gonna spray with macadamia nut oil. Ooh, it's steamy. Huh. Now we're gonna scoop this into the donut maker. Whoa, what's happening? That's like fizzing at the top and making big bubbles with the oil. It's kind of like when Brussels sprouts are like on the pan and like you already heated up the pan and so it's like really hot and that makes a sizzling sound. If you don't eat broccoli or Brussels sprouts. Any kind of vegetables kind of make that sound if you heat it up in a pan. Now and time it for 1.5 minutes. Starting now. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now we're gonna open the lid and flip it with your toothpick. So I'm gonna open up the lid. I'm gonna close the lid. It's for 1 minute. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I'm gonna open up the lid now and use 2 toothpicks this time to put it on the tray. Yay! It kind of looks burnt, but it's fine. Okay, now we're gonna make our second batch. Now I'm gonna put the lid down and have it for 1 minute again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now we're gonna plop these on the tray like we did for the other ones. Now we're gonna make the frosting. Now it's time to make the frosting. So the ingredients that you'll need to make the frosting is cocoa powder, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and half and half. So first we're gonna pour in the cocoa powder. Then the vanilla extract. And then the half and half. Now we're going to stir it all up. Whoa. It already smells pretty good. Now I'm gonna frost the donuts with this spatula. So, grab a donut. That is good. Okay, next one. I better put some sprinkles on before they don't stick. I call on? Lucy and Luca. Lucy, Luca! Would you like to try my delicious donut?
Sure. Would you like to try one of your delicious donuts?
Sure, but you have to go first.
If I don't want to.
Do it.
Cheese.
What percent is it?
I haven't even swallowed it yet. It's like a 99
Why not 100, Lucy?
because it needs more flavor. Same. It needs more flavor.
It's time for me to test. I think it's 100.
Well, that's because you're the one who made it.
Still,
Yeah, but like, what if I made it? Would that be 100?
maybe.
Luca, why do you think it's a 99?
Because the sprinkles are falling off.
I hope you enjoyed baking with me. So remember, guys, smash that button and subscribe to my channel so that you're part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. Sister power.
Cut.
Sour cream.
Cut.
Look, that's a bad reason.
No, it's not.
You have food in your mouth? You can't just like hit me. Hey,
Serafina, no
Serafina, no kicking.
No kicking.
No kicking, Serafina.
Cut.